Alright, I'm David Harry, and what it is, this video is just going to be a bunch of like little cuts to do with some of my tests. What it is, before I get into doing like a full-blown video for YouTube, I do like tons of test videos just to test out ideas, test out mics and whatnot. And so basically what it is, the idea behind this video is that me and my good friend Grant Walker were testing out how to mic up like a stripped down kit with a single microphone. That microphone being an NT5, Rode NT5 that is. With the options of either the cardioid or the omni capsule, just to see how quickly we could get something into a camera. So basically these are just test shots which people may find interesting if they like the sound of the NT5 or if they want to know what it sounds like. And quite specifically, there's nothing going on here, so there's no EQ, no compression, nothing. This is just the NT5 being swapped between two capsules and plugged straight into a Sony AX100 camcorder. Rode NT5 cardioid capsule top right. Rode NT5 top right. NT5 cardioid capsule bottom right. Rode NT5 omni capsule bottom right. Cardioid capsule top left. Rode NT5 omni capsule top left. Cardioid capsule just over Grant. Rode NT5 omni capsule, and the mic is just basically pointing down above Grant's head. NT5 omni capsule, the mic is placed just to the right of Grant. Rode NT5 omni capsule placed just to the left of the kit in front of Grant. NT5 omni capsule centered into the kit just next to the kit and below the snare, or pointing at the snare.